So I'm pouring my 1 kilogram of paste into my bowl. I'm also adding my 650 grams of salt. Here I'm adding my sulfonic acid. This is my sulfonic acid. I'm also adding my thickener liquid. So from the beginning, you mix some of the products together before you start stirring. And this is what we are doing. This is my thickener powder. It is dissolved in water. I'm going to pour it inside. So I'm going to stir. I'm stirring my soap. So this is the beginning. So after it's thoroughly stirred, we are going to start by adding small quantities of water. You keep adding smaller quantities of water and keep stirring. You keep stirring, it will get to a time it will become very light. If it gets lighter, you keep adding water and it will start getting thick again. So I'm adding my water, and stirring at the same time. Please make sure you stir very well. So now you can see our soap is well mixed and the quantity has really increased. This quantity is going to give me 2 full buckets of liquid soap. But as I said from the onset, ask me why. So as you can see, our liquid soap is almost ready. And you can see the quantity has really increased. This quantity is going to give you 2 full buckets of liquid soap. And as I said from the beginning, please do well in downloading the video below. So I'm now adding my booster liquid to my soap to make it lather very well, and as well make it thicker. I'm still stirring my soap. It's thick. It's getting thicker and thicker. I'm going to add one other thing that will make it very thicker than you can see in the video. I'm going to add my booster rice. I just finished melting it in hot water and I'm going to add it to my soap. So this is the booster rice. I've dissolved it in hot water. So I'm going to stir this one also. Wow, can you see my soap? It's becoming very thick, and you can, as you can see from the surface, you can see the foamy aspect of it, and you can see it will really lather very well. So see my soap. See, you can see the thickness. Can you see? It's very thick. This is my liquid soap and it's almost ready. Can you see? Yes. This will give me 2 buckets. And the secret, I'll let you know. So this is my preservative. I just added my preservative. And I'm also going to add my citric acid. Just a small quantity. This is my citric acid. And I'm going to start stirring all over again for it to mix thoroughly. So this is it. I'm mixing. So please have a look at my soap again. It's very thick, very thick. It's thick. So now I'm done with the process. Now I'm going to add my color and my perfume. That is the last thing on the list. So I'm adding my color to my soap, and I'm stirring. This is my color. You have to check the color very well. If it's not enough, you add another color. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, and with the color you can choose to make it lighter or a little bit deeper, or your preferred color. So now this is the color I've chosen, and it's very nice. So now I'm adding my perfume to my soap. Wow, I love this perfume. A very nice perfume, and I know you would like it if you were here. It's so nice. You can see my soap. It's very thick. Or you can please call our line on 020-623-8334 for more information. So please check my color out. This is my well packaged liquid soap, and it's very good. You can use it in the house for washing your hands, for cleaning floors, rinsing bowls, for anything at all. It's very nice and you like it.